If you're trying to figure out how to actually make money from home, this video breaks down 10 real ways people are doing exactly that. Let's get into it. Number 1, let's start with the classic. Freelancing. It's one of the fastest ways to start making money from home, especially if you already have a skill people need. Whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or video editing, there are platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com where you can create a profile and start pitching yourself to clients right away. And if you don't have a ton of experience yet, don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere. Pick one skill, build a simple portfolio, and start small. The goal is progress, not perfection. In case you're not sure what services to offer or how to price yourself, we've got a full video for that. It walks you through the process of launching a profitable freelance business step by step, from finding your niche all the way to landing your first clients. Just click the link down below to check it out. After you finish watching this video, of course. Number 2, online tutoring. If you've ever explained a math problem to someone and had them go, "Oh, now I get it," you might actually have the talent for a tutoring side hustle. Online tutoring is a super flexible way to make money from home, especially if you're strong in subjects like math, science, languages, or even test prep. You don't need to be a certified teacher, just someone who knows their stuff and can explain it clearly. Platforms like Wyzant and Tutor.com connect you with students of all ages from around the world. You can set your availability, rates, and even specialize in the areas you most enjoy. And here's the best part. You're not just trading time for money, you're making a real impact helping someone understand something that might have felt impossible before. Number 3, creating online courses and selling digital products. Bouncing off this whole teaching others idea, if you're maybe not into one-on-one sessions or working on someone else's schedule, there's another route. Packaging your knowledge into digital products. Think online courses, PDF guides, templates, or even ebooks. You build it once, market it, and it can earn you money while you sleep. Let's say you're great at budgeting, meal planning, or building websites. Turn that into a step-by-step course or a downloadable guide. People love learning at their own pace, and you don't need to be an influencer to make it work. You can sell digital products directly through your own site, keep all your branding tight, and have full control over pricing and delivery. All you need is a website, and you can set one up today with Shopify, no coding needed. I've dropped a link down below for you to start a free Shopify trial today with zero risk. Plus, on our channel, we also have this super helpful video that will teach you how to create an online course that sells. All right. Back to some ways you can make money from home. Number 4, selling products online. If you're more of a hands-on type and love the idea of running your own shop, selling physical products online could be your move. With Shopify, you can launch an online store and start selling pretty much anything. Handmade goods, vintage finds, your own clothing line, or even drop shipping products if you don't want to deal with inventory. And you don't need a warehouse or a massive budget to start. Plenty of Shopify brands started in their bedrooms or garages. Just look at businesses like Gymshark or the Woobles. Real people, real innovation, real profits. And when you're ready to launch and grow that business on Shopify, you're gonna need to have this video in your back pocket. It's our ultimate guide to all things Shopify, a total beginner's guide to building a successful e-commerce business from scratch. Trust me, it'll be your new secret weapon. Which brings me to number 5, become a certified Shopify expert. See what I did there? This is a money move most people don't talk about. Instead of running your own Shopify store, use your powers to help other Shopify stores grow. Shopify experts get paid to do everything from improving websites and writing product descriptions to optimizing marketing strategies and boosting conversion rates. If you're already familiar with Shopify or ready to level up, Shopify Academy is a great place to build your skills. But just a heads up, getting listed in the Shopify partner directory as an expert isn't automatic. It typically requires meeting specific program requirements, including real client experience and proven results. Once you've built up that track record, then you can apply to be listed where merchants go when they're ready to hire help. Think of it like freelancing, but specifically for the Shopify ecosystem. And the demand is real. There are thousands of businesses looking for people who can make their stores better. Come to think of it, should I? Okay, well, before I quit my day job. Number 6, monetize your expertise with a coaching business. Let's say you've gotten really good at something, Shopify, fitness, budgeting, branding, whatever. Instead of just doing the work for others, what if you coached them through it? Coaching is one of the highest margin businesses out there because your knowledge is the product. No inventory, no shipping, no office space, just you helping someone solve a very specific high value problem. To stand out, get insanely good at one niche. And I'm not talking about life coaching. Think email marketing for beauty brands or how to go full-time as an entrepreneur. Focus on outcomes, not hours. Package your expertise into a structured program instead of billing hourly. That way, clients are paying for results, not just your time. You can even layer this on top of what you're already doing. Freelancers, Shopify experts, consultants, coaching is a natural next step. If you want to do a deeper dive into how to start a coaching business on Shopify, check out this other video that I've linked down below. Number 7, content creation. If you love sharing ideas, telling stories, or just being on camera, content creation might be your thing. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or TikTok around something you know or love. Whether it's skincare product reviews, money tips, DIY home hacks, or unboxings, there's an audience for everything. And once you build some traction, you can monetize your content through affiliate links, brand deals, digital products, or by selling your own merch or services. If you have a Shopify store, you can even sell directly through YouTube using the Shopify integration. That means your viewers can buy your products without ever leaving your videos. Don't know how to do that? Don't worry, I got you. Just watch this vid that shows you exactly how to connect your Shopify store to your YouTube channel. Moving on to number 8, start a podcast. Podcasting is booming, and it's one of the most low-key ways to build a brand and make money from home. All you really need to start is a mic, a laptop, and a topic you can speak on consistently. Whether it's interviews, niche advice, or storytelling, podcasts let you connect with your audience in a deeper, more personal way. You can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, listener support, affiliate links, or by driving traffic to your own products or services. A lot of Shopify merchants use podcasts to grow their brand and community. If you need inspo, check out Shopify Masters. It's our podcast where successful founders share how they built their businesses from the ground up. Wins, losses, and all the real stuff in between. And in case you're wondering, no, you don't need a $600 mic and a moody neon sign behind you. Just hit record and talk your talk. The internet will let you know if it's hitting. Number 9, website and app testing. Okay, this one's super underrated. Did you know you can get paid to test out websites and apps all from home? Companies want real feedback on how users experience their sites or products. That means they'll literally pay you to click around, answer questions, and share what's confusing or what works well. Sites like User Testing, Trimata, and Respondent connect testers with companies who need feedback. You don't even need a tech background, just the ability to follow instructions and speak your thoughts clearly. Each test usually takes 10 to 20 minutes, and you can stack them throughout the week for some solid extra cash. Granted, it won't replace a full-time job, but it's one of the easiest, lowest barrier ways to start earning online. And finally, number 10, virtual assistant. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and good at getting stuff done, being a virtual assistant might be your perfect work-from-home hustle. Virtual assistants help businesses with everything from managing emails and calendars to customer service, social media scheduling, research, and more. Basically, you're the behind-the-scenes hero that keeps things running smoothly. You can find gigs on sites like Belay, Boldly, and Upwork, or reach out directly to small business owners, creators, or Shopify merchants who might need an extra set of hands. The cool thing is, you can niche down. Want to be a virtual assistant specifically for Shopify brands or content creators? Go for it. The more specific you're offering, the easier it is to stand out. And since everything's remote, you can work from literally anywhere. So there you have it, 10 real ways to make money from home, no fluff, no gimmicks. If one of these stood out to you, go deeper, take action, and keep building, and let me know which one you're choosing down in the comments. Before I let you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other super helpful videos on Learn with Shopify. I'm your host, Kylie Marr. See you soon.